Hey, this is Jim from Low Cost Water Softeners. Before I get started, I just want to ask you if you can just press the subscribe button right down here. So that way you'll get an email saying I just launched another video. All right, and if you like us, give us a thumbs up. Please don't be afraid to share to help your friends. So anyway, this is a GE water softener. It's a brand new one. I just wanted to give you a heads up. Normally, when I used to get these, run across these, and the tank would be full of water, this was a little rubber button, and I would slide it down to about the middle, so when the water started to fill up, and it would raise this float, and it would stop right there, and it would pull on this down here, and it would stop the water from flowing in the tank, and it would keep it from filling up with too much water, which meant the rotor disc needed to be replaced. So now I was going to lower this for the lady that I'm installing it for, and I discovered that it's got these two little knobs here, as you can see, and it won't allow me to bring it down. So all it does is it just lets you lock it in here like this, and then you got to pull it this way and snap it in. That's all it lets you do. And there's a little cap that you can't see because I dropped it inside the tank. But anyways, so I guess they want it to be like this, so it indicates to you, hey, my tank's getting full of water, I need to contact somebody. But just so you know, if your tank starts getting full of water and the water's not going out, then it's time to replace your rotor disc, because your rotor disc is not forming suction to pull all the water out of your tank. When it's sitting still and it's not regenerating, you should be able to look in your tank or your brine well. Come over here, Luis, and show them the brine well. This is your brine well. So you should be able to take your top off your brine well and then look inside your brine well down there. You're probably not going to see anything, but you shine a flashlight down there and you should see about 4 inches of water inside your brine well. And if you see more than that, then your rotor disc is not working correctly and forming the suction to pull the water out of your salt water out of the tank, okay? Because on this model, all these models, they fill with water first and they let the salt disintegrate while it's in backwash, and then they pull that water out, that salt water out, to regenerate your media beads. So if it's filling up with water and staying there, then it's time to replace your rotor disc. And I'll put a link to Amazon down below. So I'm an Amazon affiliate. I'll put a link to Amazon down below where you can buy your rotor disc kit. And then if it's not, that's if it's only a 3/4 inch. And you'll know it's a 3/4 inch because there'll be 5 bolts in the top of your disc. And I can't get this one off. I don't know how to get this one off yet because it's new. I know I gotta go in the back and undo these clips, but oh, there we go. There we go. Okay, look at this right here, Luis. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So this is a 1 inch. And I haven't found any 1 inch on Amazon, so I'll give you the link to, it's called softenerparts.com, and they sell the 1 inch kit, rotor disc kit for this system, okay? So I'll put them both on there so you can get what you need. Once again, thank you. Give us a thumbs up if you liked it, thumbs down if you didn't. Don't be afraid to ask questions because I try and answer them as quickly as possible. All right, so have a great day.